Hey guys, this is Ryan with Beyond Microgreens, and this is another episode with Cooking with Ryan. Today we have another amazing guest, James. He's a part of the Beyond Microgreens team. And James, what do you do with Beyond Microgreens?
Yeah, sure. So I handle two things from Beyond Microgreens. First one is our e-commerce. So that's Amazon, our website, obviously through Shopify. Also some advertising on places you guys probably use like Facebook and Instagram. The second thing is I do our ops, dotting our I's, crossing our T's, making sure we know how much of stuff we have.
Yeah, awesome. So all the numbers that I do not like to do, so I really appreciate of that. So James, what are we making today?
Yeah, so, during these times, since, it's tough for us just to go out and have some fun, what I like to do is bring fun into the kitchen, into my house. Yeah. And my favorite food, kind of a comfort food for me, is nachos. So today we're going to be making some blue corn nachos.
Very nice. So I know you can make nachos a lot of different ways. So what are the ingredients here?
Yeah, so here's what we're looking at today. So personally, I like to keep my time in the kitchen to a minimum. I want to go back to doing what I was doing, whether it's watching something on Netflix or playing some games. Yeah. So I like to go very veggie heavy. So what we're going to be doing today is blue corn nachos. I just prefer them over white or yellow, but go with what you like. Pico, onions. Then we also have some avocado here. And then we're going to be putting on some beans in order to kind of get some more protein in it. Some Beyond Microgreens because we want to get some nutrition in there. Anything we can do to improve the nutrition is awesome on these nachos. Then we're going to add, obviously, some cheese and then some great hot sauce. Yeah. It's amazing.
And let me tell you about this hot sauce. Cedar Ranch. We have another very special guest. Russell is on the show as well. Look at this. Oh, amazing. And he's going to tell us about this hot sauce that we're going to put on the nachos.
Sure. So I was just over there packing orders, and they said that they were making nachos. So I brought over a bottle of this Smoky Ghost. Smoky Ghost is my favorite hot sauce for nachos. I actually just did a recipe of nachos with Smoky Ghost.
Oh, nice.
Awesome. But it's a great sauce because it's hot with ghost pepper, but not too hot. We didn't overdo it, so you won't be in pain. Sweet. And it's also it's also nice because it's sweet, but there's no added sugar. It's sweetened with dates and carrots. Okay. And then we use all organic ingredients, and we don't add any xanthan gum or preservatives. So you gotta shake before you use it.
Awesome. Wow.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. This is one of my new favorites. It's my mom's new favorite. And it's a ghost, which is perfect for Halloween.
It's special.
It was meant to be. So
yeah. And where can we find Cedar Ranch?
Yeah, so you can go on our website, cedarranchflavor.com.
Awesome.
And then we're also on Amazon. And if you live in Colorado, we're in pretty much all major grocery stores around town.
Sweet. Awesome.
Yeah. Awesome. So super excited to try that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, this is great.
Thanks so much, Russell. All right, so now, James, let's get cutting. Let's get chopping.
All right, cool. Onion. Obviously, a lot of people hate chopping onion, but I honestly.
I mean, you look pretty good at it, honestly.
I'm used to it because I'm the only one in my family who will do it. So my eyes have gotten pretty much immune to the.
So you haven't chopped off a finger or anything yet?
Not
close, sir.
I did at a job when I was in college.
Really?
Yes, yeah.
Like, you actually chopped off your finger?
Like 3/4. They had to sew it back on.
Really? Whoa.
Yeah, it hurt.
What were you trying to chop?
I was chopping tomatoes. We were at a lunch rush, and there was only two of us working.
Oh, no.
So I was talking to customers and not paying attention to where the blade went.
Okay.
Never good.
Yeah, it's probably not.
All right, cool.
Yeah, okay.
So we have our normal onion.
Okay, cool.
Toss it in there. Then
green onion.
We also have some green onion. I personally actually like green onion in it almost more than normal onion. It doesn't give quite the same kick, but I don't know. I just like the flavor of green onion.
Yeah, for sure. And did you know that nacho, like the actual stadium nacho cheese, is not even FDA official. The FDA doesn't consider that nacho cheese actual cheese. Did you know that?
That's scary, and I never want to buy some now again.
So just know that next time you're. Well, there's no sports right.
Well, there is. We can't go.
Yeah, but anyway, just remember that next time there is sports.
Yeah. So with the pico, heck, if you guys watching, can make pico. I mean, I love homemade pico, but I just don't have the patience for it.
Yeah.
Flat out. Dicing tomatoes is like my least favorite thing to do.
Yeah.
So, we got that. Now we're gonna do the beans. Usually, obviously, as you guys can see, this is still in the thing. You would obviously usually drain it first. but we just don't have that technology here.
We're just improv-ing it.
Yeah, so we're just getting this done. Now, personally, and I like spice if this hasn't been obvious with the hot sauce here. I personally like the ones with jalapenos already baked into the beans.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, like the green chili peppers? Or
well, that too. I mean, I love Hatch.
Okay,
but I can't get Hatch all the time.
Right.
But, like, but I usually do, like, the jalapeno ones.
Yeah.
From, I don't know what company it's from, to be honest with you guys. They were out today.
Yeah, so let's get some cheese on there.
The most important part of your nachos is cheese.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys...
And we're not using the stadium cheese, so this is actually, like...
real
FDA
cheese.
Official. Yeah, so...
Real cheese, guys. So, there's some nachos right there.
Oh, amazing.
So, what's your favorite thing about nachos?
Favorite thing about nachos? I mean, it's just super simple, honestly. And it's like, there's so much flavor. You know, there's so many ingredients, and it's super, you just throw it on chips, really. And so, look at this. Broccoli booster.
We've got our broccoli booster in there.
Amazing. What's your favorite thing about broccoli booster?
Ooh, that's a good one. You know, my absolute favorite thing, I think it's somewhat similar to what you were saying.
Yeah.
I love how easy it is to add into stuff.
Yeah, convenience.
Yeah. So, I mean, one of my favorite things is, in the mornings, I love to have, like, avocado toast with some salmon on it. And I've just been tossing this on that all the time. Yeah. Also, anytime we make eggs, whether it's scrambled or over easy, we always toss on broccoli booster.
Right.
You know, my thing is, and, I'll be, honest with you guys, is my thing is, I can't always eat healthy. I just don't have that discipline. But what I can always do is make something healthier.
That's true. And this is making it healthier for sure.
Yeah. This is something I love it.
And then we got this hot sauce.
So how much hot sauce should we put in?
However you want. You're the guest, so go ahead.
So I'm just gonna dump the whole now.
That's amazing. All right.
And then we're just gonna toss it around a little bit.
Yeah, we can toss it like a salad, kind of,
Yeah, you just kind of go through it.
Yeah, look at that.
There's our nachos, guys. It's delicious.
All right. Now,
and then
what we do on this show, you know what we do on the show, right?
What do we do on the show?
we try it after we make it.
Well, yeah, that's a good point. Now, of course, the cheese is not melted yet,
but
we
fair.
Can try it.
Okay. I got some hot sauce on this. You got to get look at all those ingredients. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you take one. Here.
I got it. Gotta get that hot sauce.
Yeah, the hot sauce. I feel like I got like a heavy hot sauce chip, so I'm kind of right now. But all right.
I lost all the ingredients, guys. There we go.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. That hot sauce is good.
No, it's nice.
He was not joking. It's a great balance of heat and sweetness.
And then with the microgreens, beyond microgreens, Sud Ranch. Perfect combo right here, guys.
Yeah. It's amazing. And then, and the great thing...
I'm going in for another one.
You can do that. So the great thing about the broccoli microgreens, guys, honestly, it added a lot of nutrition. It doesn't impact the taste at all. This is not like tossing spirulina into your nachos and then going, what the hell did I do?
Yeah.
This tastes good, tastes great.
It's a nice, light, savory spice.
Yeah.
It's amazing. What would you rate it?
I mean, it's nachos, so it's 10 for me.
10? Whoa.
I mean, it's nachos. There
has never been a 10 on this show, and this is once in a lifetime right here. A 10. You guys get to try it. Well, I would rate it 8.4.
8.4?
That's really good.
I'll take it. My goal in high school was always a B. So
okay,
I'm going to take it.
Well, thanks so much, James. Where can we find you if the audience is trying to find you personally?
Sure, yeah. So, if you guys have any questions when it comes to e-com, etc., feel free to email me. It's james.johnson.colorado@gmail.com. If you more so, you want to chat or just watch me play Magic, which is what I do a lot of my free time, it's twitch.com/lycotic, LYKOTIC. You can see me play control decks and try to drive other people crazy.
Sweet. Thanks so much, James, and thanks for tuning in again.
Have a good one, guys.